In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy name servers. If you need to point your domain to a different hosting provider or connect it to another service, changing your name servers in GoDaddy is a very common task. The process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each screen carefully so your domain continues working properly. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the site loads, go to your account area by clicking on your profile. This is where you can access the products and settings connected to your account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the domains and other services you currently manage in GoDaddy. Take a moment to locate the domain name you want to update, especially if you have more than one listed in your account. Next, click on DNS for the domain you want to manage. This will take you to the DNS management area, where you can control important domain settings. On some layouts, you may need to click DNS again to enter the full DNS settings page. If the page looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. GoDaddy occasionally updates its interface, but the option you need will still be in the DNS management section. Once you're in the DNS settings, look for the Name Servers section and click on it. This is the area that controls where your domain's DNS is managed. After that, click Change Name Servers. This opens the menu where you can switch from GoDaddy's default name servers to custom ones. Now, select the option that says you want to use your own name servers. This is the correct choice when another provider has given you name server addresses to enter. After selecting that option, click Save so GoDaddy can move you to the next step where you'll enter the name server details. At this point, enter the name server names exactly as provided by your hosting company or DNS provider. Be careful with spelling and formatting, because even a small mistake can prevent your domain from connecting properly. If more than one name server is required, make sure each one is entered in the correct field. Once everything is filled in, click Save again to confirm the change. After saving, the update may not happen instantly. Name server changes can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, so it's normal if the website or related services do not update right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy name servers.